What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have another video for you guys, and this one is going to be all about my nails. I do have on these amazing, fabulous press-on nails, and I got them from Walmart. They were about $6. Sure Fit Johnson, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. These nails were so easy to put on, you guys, and it comes in a variety of different colors. It comes in a variety of different shapes. This brand is exclusive what I'm talking about. So when you go to Walmart and you pick up the nails that you want, especially during this quarantine time, you know, we're not really going out and getting our nails done, and we still might want our fingernails to be cute. Get the kind that you want. They have long ones, they have short ones, they have natural looking ones, and they have a variety of different colors. So go ahead and get what you like. So when you come back and you're ready to put them on, the first thing you need to do is groom your nails. So right here you can see me taking my nail clipper and just clipping my nails. I am making them as short as possible because the nails that I have are natural length and they are, you know, quite short. And so then I'm also going to take this stick that was inside of the packaging. The packaging was amazing because not only could you see all the colors, it came with all the materials that you need. And this stick, this wooden stick, was one of them. And this is for your cuticles. It also came with great instructions. So if it's hard for you to just follow along to this video, it has instructions for you. And this is a pad. It's actually one of those paddings that have little micro mini abrasions on them so you can scrape your nails. And this right here is very necessary because it actually helps your nails, the glue from your nails, to stick on. So after you use that wooden stick to push back your cuticles, you want to make sure you take this pad and you know, scrub your nails. It's gonna make your nails kind of nasty looking, but it is very necessary for the nails, the fake nails, to stick on. On the back of this, it is actually extremely sticky, and so I just placed it on my fingers and, you know, rubbed them across. If you do not have one of these because you are in the midst of doing a second round with these nails, because it comes with a lot of nails, you can easily go to the dollar store or go to Walmart and get a nail file. It'll be super simple. And you can see the rust and the crust on my nails. And I've already placed on my first nail. It was super easy. It has like a little sticky tab underneath it, and all you want to do is push it underneath your cuticle and then lay it down flat. Apply a little bit of pressure. I say about 15 seconds of pressure so you know it is good and it is stuck on there. And then go back and continue to apply pressure. You only have 10 fingernails, so it's really not a big deal to keep applying pressure. It's not like you have 100 fingernails. So if you want them to last, just do that. Now, I did not go over the fact that you need to size these nails because I felt like that was pretty self-explanatory. But when you get the package of nails, it will have a lot of nails in there, and you need to find the ones that fit correctly for your hands. And then you also need to see exactly, you know, how you want the coloring and the patterning to lay on your nails. I would definitely get all 10 nails out and set up before you start applying them, so you have a visual of exactly what you want it to look like. Now, at the very tips of these nails, it does have like a little bit of a thick extra piece of plastic. Go ahead and remove that by just shaving it down with that nail filer, and it'll come right off, you guys. I do plan to continue to wear these impression nails. They work amazing and they last for a really long time. If you don't think they'll last for you, I promise you they will. But you can also buy some nail glue and put it on your nails. Now, I'm telling you, these nails have lasted me a long time. And I have literally dyed hair, I've braided hair, I've washed dishes. I do all my regular maintenance stuff, and my nails have still lasted and they look amazing. Check this out. Lastly, my last tip that you guys really need to know is when you're doing your fingers and you're adding everything on, do the thumbs last. Like, do all of your 8 fingers and do the thumbs at the very end. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, welcome to the SureFit family and subscribe. SureFit Johnson, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.